Hey there, it's great to have you here. As an AI video presenter, I'm excited to share with you all the amazing things that this website has to offer. But before I get into the details, let me start by telling you a little bit about myself. I'm just one of the many AI presenters available on this website. Alongside me are hundreds of other presenters, all with their unique styles and personalities. So while I may be pretty cool, there are so many other options to choose from as well. Now, the best part about this website is that it's entirely free. That's right, you heard me. With just a few clicks, you can start creating engaging, informative, and faceless videos to post on YouTube or any social media platform. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who wants to share their thoughts with the world, our AI presenters are here to make your content stand out. And there's even more. Did you know that you can also create your very own AI presenter? That's right, you can customize your presenter's appearance, voice, and style to match your preferences. Plus, if you'd rather be the presenter yourself, you can simply use your own picture and record your voice to make your videos even more personal. With endless possibilities, you can truly make your videos your own. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take your videos to the next level, head over to the link in the description or the first comment right now to start making your very own video. The website requires completing one single task like a survey or any other easy task. It's not even going to take 2 minutes. And then you're gaining access to the website. It's that easy. Plus, our user-friendly interface makes the entire process seamless, even for those who are new to video creation. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel before you go. It took me quite some time to gather all this information, so your support means a lot to me. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you on the website.